Welcome back everyone. Today we'll see how to change engine air filter on a Mazda CX5 2022 and other previous years. First step, open the hood. Second step, find the latch, push it to the right, this way. And lift it, secure the hood.
Here is the airbox. Undo these two clips. Lift the front of the lid, and take out the filter. You can now replace the air filter with a new filter like this one. The correct filter for the 2.0 turbo or the 2.54 cylinder are in the description. Now let's put it back.
Make sure you put the 3 hinges in the back and then seat it properly, and then you can just click. Just 2 clips. How easy is that? 3 hinges in the back, lift it this way, pull it out, pull out, air filter, replace. Quick and easy. Love it. Mazda CX5 2022 and all the other years. Let's go to the next video.